Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously, and today we are looking at a network attached storage device. Now, this guy here was sent to me by Synology. They wanted me to review it, and full disclosure, I get to keep it after I'm actually done. Now, this is not a sponsored video or anything, so I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on how I get to use this. Now, this is Synology's DiskStation DS218j. This guy is normally going to be used as a backup device where I'm going to actually back up all of my video files. Actually, if you guys are YouTubers, or if you do any video work and you actually need a storage, this is actually would be one of the options. I remember in the past I've actually have recommended this before, but the smaller version. Network attached means that this guy is going to be connected on your network, and you're going to be able to access this guy from any device anywhere in the world, as long as that device actually has internet connection. Now, getting into the box itself, Synology, this guy will have mobile support. It's what it says on the box. Mobile support. It says enjoy file sharing of multimedia streaming on the go with a mobile app. You can also use this to store your surveillance footage. You can use this to back up your devices in the cloud, and it also has data security, and that's what the box actually says. It also says that it has, this is actually the I/O that comes on the device. It has a status indicator, it has a LAN indicator, it has a disk indicator, actually has a power button, obviously it has a power button, it has fan, USB 3.0 support, it has a reset button, power port, a LAN port, and a Kensington security lock so that they don't steal your storage device. Now let's unbox this guy and see what actually comes in the box. Now, I really haven't opened this before, so I don't know what to expect inside. So first of all, you have power cable, you have power brick, and probably USB. Oh, you have the network cable for you to connect it to your routers, for you to get access to your network. And then you have a couple of screws here. This guy here, you're going to have to attach or to install hard drives inside for you to be able to actually use it. Hopefully the hard drive in here, and we can actually get on with this video. If not, we're gonna have to go buy them and install and then get on with the video. Now, this is the device itself. You also have a couple of screws here, more screws for your, probably I'm guessing is for the hard drives that you have to install, and that's basically it on the box. But let's just make sure. Nah, that's it. So this is the device itself. It's actually much smaller than I thought it would be. Kind of looked big on the box, so let's actually go inside and see how this guy looks like. It's actually small enough, and I can already see this thing would actually look good on a desk set up as your storage medium. So this is the device itself. As I can feel, it's pretty light, so it does not have the hard drives inside, which means we're gonna have to go and get them. Now, this is the indicators that I was reading from the box. You have the status indicator, you have LAN, disk 1, disk 2. So this guy's gonna be taking 2 hard disk drives inside. It's a 2-bay Synology device, and you have the power button down here. So behind you have 2 USB 3.0, 1 RJ45 LAN cable port, and then you have the power port down here. Now, how do you open this guy? We're actually going to figure it out without opening the manual. Let's see if we can actually do that. I see a place for screw there, another place for screw there, and I am guessing it opens in the middle. Might actually break this. Oh, okay, this is time to, oh, I see. There we go. We managed to open it without reading the manual. So yeah, this is how you open it, and the hard drives are most definitely placed here and here. So what is left for us to do is actually go and install it and see what's up. So it's been almost a month since we unboxed the NAS that I have behind me, the Synology NAS. That's the 2-bay DS218j from Synology. And this guy, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, which I shot I think a month ago or so, it's going to be used mainly for backing up my videos. This is a cloud, it's a personal cloud storage NAS. If I can explain it in simpler terms, this is like having your own iCloud at home. Now this is a 2-bay NAS. NAS obviously stands for network attached storage, and with the 2 bays, I managed to actually install one hard drive just for me to like test it out and see the upload speeds and download speeds. Now the upload speeds will vary between 113 megabytes per second to 110, around there. Download speeds as well, but it is fast enough actually for you to transfer your files in the cloud and down to your actual computer. Now this Synology disk station has, as I mentioned, a 2-slot for your hard drive. You can actually also install an SSD inside, which is going to make everything much faster. It comes with a 1.3 gigahertz Realtek Marvel Armada dual core. It has a 512 DDR3 RAM, and it has a 1 gig Ethernet port at the back, which you use to connect it to your router for you to be able to have that internet access. Now setting up this device was also really straightforward. Installing the hard drive is as easy as that as well. You just pop it up and you install the hard drive inside. Now I have one hard drive inside, as I mentioned, but you also have the option to install a second one, and you can also install SSDs inside, which might actually make the device work much faster. And then after I installed the hard drive, I went inside the device using internet browser, which actually took me through a setup, a step-by-step setup, which is again really easy. I think any of you guys can actually go and get it done. After that, I was also prompted to create an online account, which is going to be used to sign into the device using any other device, as long as that device is actually connected to the internet, which is really cool. Now thank you guys so much for watching this video. As usual, if you like this video, make sure you rate the video, give it a like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you join the family. We are growing almost in 2K, and I will catch you guys on my next video, which is pretty soon. Peace.